are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing so great. It's the middle of February when the weather is supposed to be hot, but I tell you, Harmattan just crept in. So for some days now, the weather has been so cold in Nigeria. So today I decided to prepare this goat yam pepper soup. Hello everyone, you see your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. So on the table I have what it takes to bring out our yam pepper soup. We are using goat meat for this, but you can use any meat of your choice. I have the goat meat in the pot. It is thoroughly washed. What I'll just do is to season the goat meat. If you have enough time, you can marinate yours, but I'm not going to marinate. I'll just boil straight ahead. So first of all, I'm going to pour in the chopped onions, washed and chopped onions. That's what I'm going to pour into the pot. Then I'll add some salt, bouillon cube. I'm just using one bouillon cube. Then I'll add my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using the red, the yellow, and the green one mainly for coloring. So I'll just add it now. Then I'll add the ground crayfish. Then the spice of this pepper soup is Adrian, which is they call it uyaya natively. Then Calabar nuts, meg, and country onions. You can see this one is already made. I bought it in the market like this, but you can buy yours and prepare it the way you want to prepare it. So this is the major ingredient of this soup, the pepper soup spices. I'll just add everything in now. Then I'll now start boiling it before I come back to peel the yam and add into the pot. The heat is on now. You can see the quantity of water I have in the pot. That is what will cook this meat. Then later, I'll now add more water when I'm done peeling the yam. So let me allow the meat to start cooking. While the goat meat is boiling, let me just quickly peel the yam. Different people, there are different methods of peeling their yam. Some people might just stand it like this and start peeling. I don't know how to do this style. This is the way I know how to peel my yam. When you are peeling your yam, you have to get water close by. So as you peel, you drop it into the water so it doesn't discolor. You can cut it any size you want, but this is the size I'm cutting mine. So I'll just continue cutting the yam and the quantity that I need. When I'm done, I'll wash it, and when the meat is cooked, I'll pour the yam into the same pot. Guys, I'm back and the goat meat is boiling. So now I'll now add in the washed yam so it can now boil together, then suck in some of the juice. Then it will now keep boiling. So I've washed the yams after peeling. This is what I have. So I'll add them now into the pot. Please, if you are joining for the first time, subscribe. If you have been following me, thank you very much. Keep liking, keep sharing, and give the video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. So I'll add in some water to enable the yam to boil very well, and for us to have some juice to eat the yam when it is cooked. So also add some salt on the yam so it will have taste. Then I'll add another spice. Adrian, this is for Adrian. This is for more flavor. So I'll just stir everything, cover the pot, and let it keep boiling until the yam is cooked. Let me even test for salt, so then if I'll add more. Okay, I'll just add some more salt. The spice is okay, just the salt. It's okay, so I'll cover it for it to continue cooking. So I'm back. Let me check if the yam is well cooked. Then we'll continue. Yeah, the yam is soft enough. You can see the fork was able to go through the yam easily, so you know it is cooked. So I will now add the scent leaf that I chopped off camera. Then our yam pepper soup is ready. Goat meat yam pepper soup. So add the scent leaf. Stir it very well. Test for salt and spices. Then we are good to go. The salt is okay, spice okay, pepper soup is okay. We are good to go. I don't want the leaf to be overcooked, so I'll turn off the heat. Guys, keep liking, keep sharing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.